Are you planning to sell something unique for this Valentine's Day? If yes, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will show you how to make message reveal cupcakes. So let's get started. So first let me show you how to use red fondant to make unique cupcakes that are so special for Valentine's Day. Now I have taken white and red ready-made fondant for this technique. Let us roll it out very well and also make sure it is not very thin. Now I will cut out small rectangles from this white roll fondant. So guys, make sure you follow this video step by step and stay till the end to know how you can sell unique products from your home bakery. Now can you see the scraper and the mat? Only these two things had made this process so easy for me. After you get these small rectangles out, now it is time to do the detail. We just have to make a crisscross pattern, so these small rectangles, they look exactly like those letters which are going to look very cute on your Valentine's Day cupcake. And there you go, you have the letters ready. Now it is time to make the seal for these cupcakes. So for that, I am going to use my red fondant. Again, just roll it out nice and slightly thick. And then I'll be using hard plunge cutter. You get variety of shapes and sizes in the market. I'm going to use the small and the medium plunge cutter which has the heart shaped design on it. This can be used as a seal for our cute letters. It looks really cute, isn't it? After you are done with this, then it is time to make the message strip. And for this as well, I'm going to use another white fondant cutout in the rectangle shape. And start writing on it using black color or any color of your choice. I'm using the messages specific to the Valentine's Day. Along with this, we will also cut out similar strips from the acetate sheets of paper which you get easily in the market. But if you don't get it, don't worry. Just comment acetate below and I will share the product purchasing details with you all. It is definitely available online for purchase and it is so good. Now let us assemble our heart. So just use a dash of water and stick the heart to the letter. And now let's do the final assembly. Take your favorite chocolate cupcakes. You can use any recipes of your choice to make these chocolate cupcakes. Doesn't matter whether it is a homemade premix or a store-bought premix, the choice is completely yours. But if you are conscious about preservatives and chemicals, just like many of my students, you can check out my Super Baker program for homemade premix recipes, which you can use it not just for making your cakes, but you can also make tea time cakes, muffins, and even cupcakes using the same homemade premix, which is without any preservatives and chemicals. So type enroll to join my community of Super Bakers. Now it is time to decorate these cupcakes. Just place the fondant message strip on the top and start decorating the sides as shown. Lay the transparent acetate sheet on the fondant message and cover the remaining area with whipped cream. Now I am using pink whipped cream for that extra Valentine's look. And I am not really using red whipped cream here because the red fondant heart that we have made earlier, they won't look good on the bright red whipped cream. So always keep color theory in your mind while decorating your cakes and cupcakes. It is so important. And also let's get creative with some whipped cream flowers. Hence, I'm using different nozzles to make beautiful designs on this Valentine special cupcakes. It is all about making them visually stunning. And now comes the magical part. Place the fondant letters on the top. Do you think if you make such decorated cupcakes or such unique designs, you can stand out from other bakers in your area? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And the final moment of truth. Here is the surprise. Let us peel off the transparent sheet and oh my god, a hidden message for your loved one is revealed over here. Isn't it unique and cool way to light up your customer's face? Guys, I hope you have enjoyed how to make these Valentine special cupcakes at home. Surprise your loved ones and impress your customers with these unique edible gifts. Trust me, your bakery will be flooded with orders. So let me know in the comments what are you planning to sell from your home bakery this Valentine's Day. Did you see how easy it is to make such cute cupcakes? So for this Valentine's Day, make something very special, make something very unique for your customers, because if they are happy, they are going to give you repeat order. I hope you have loved this easy video of making cupcake decoration. If yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting decoration videos. Until then, keep smiling, keep baking and keep selling so many unique cupcakes from your home bakery. Thank you so much for watching this video.